Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been months. I know you're probably so disappointed in me. I'm so sorry guys. Oh my god, there's so many things going on, okay? Like my sister moved in with me, my husband got promoted, I had to go home to visit my mother, you know, it's just a bunch of things right now, okay? And I wanted so badly to get on here and tell you guys like my triumphs, because you already know like I'm just so happy with what's been going on. But every time I went to go like make a video or anything like that, I just kept getting distracted. And if I'm really like high energy, I cannot focus, I cannot pay attention. It's just really bad. And if you're my friend and you text me, you know that it takes about 3 to 5 business days for me to get back to you, because I genuinely will forget about you, and then I'll be sitting down eating ice cream thinking, oh snap, like did I ever text, you know, so and so back? So please forgive me. I'm gonna be trying my best to just get it together. I just need to get it together. Okay, let me turn off this fan. I feel like it's giving me a problem. Okay, so basically you guys, the last time I left off with you, I want to say that I was working with my buyers and my sellers that my husband had got me. God bless him, amazing person. So basically I ended up, if you follow me on social media, then you probably already saw this, and don't ruin it for the rest, okay? So I sold the property and I helped my clients buy a property. I'm so happy. Both of these clients closed within a week of each other, so it was like back-to-back commission. They were super happy with everything that I had done for them. It was just amazing. I am going to kind of dip into the seller process and the buying process in detail. So I plan on writing every single thing down, like, you know, the steps, how I got them, first conversations, you know, listing the house, open houses, reaching out to other realtors in the area, things like that. Sorry, see, I'm getting distracted because I'm right by my window and I just keep looking. See, it's just, I'm a hot mess. And now I have this, the glare on my glass. Oh my god. Okay, just one, okay. So anyways, I'm just gonna be doing this blind because I just can't. So that's what I plan on doing, so you guys can see from beginning to end how everything went for me, my mistakes that I definitely don't want you to make, that definitely could have messed a lot of things up for me. So I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of what not to do, and what to do to help your clients benefit. So let me know if you're interested. I mean, it's coming to you anyway, so you don't really have a choice. Watch it or do not watch. But I think you guys will be pretty excited. So basically, I listed a house in Copper's Cove for, I want to say it was $298, and we ended up closing for $325,000. I was so happy, you have no idea. It took us about, I think, like 3 weeks before we got that offer and went under contract. And then from going under contract to closing, it was kind of, you know, back and forth here and there. Me and the other agent, we were kind of skeptical of each other's intentions at first, only because it seemed like we were both sort of new, but we both had our teams backing us up, and we realized that we want the same goal, and so it ended up working out perfectly. I was super happy to work with him. He was great. And my clients were ecstatic. They were trying to get as much possible for the house, and I did get them quite a bit of money. I mean, in the end, the house appraised for about the house appraised for, I don't even know, like 270? In the end, we pretty much ended up selling the house for $54,000 over its actual value, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, the clients, I mean, not the clients, the buyers could have easily, you know, said, hey, like, we're not paying this much because it's way above you know, the price point. However, they're the ones who offered us $325 and they didn't really care about the big difference. So we ended up lucking out, or I guess not lucking out, but I did use my negotiation skills to kind of get us a deal that we got, and I'm really happy about it. And I hope you guys are happy for me too, because that was a lot of hard work, y'all. And then for my buyers, I was just sending them house after house after house. They didn't live in the area. They're currently on the East Coast, so I was just sending them videos. Pretty much every time they wanted to see a house, I would go to the house, take a video, send it to them, and then ask them how they felt about it. We did actually lose out on a few deals. I want to say maybe just like 2 other deals, but the third one was the charm. We kind of put in, you know, our best option as far as running up the offer. They accepted it, which actually they didn't accept it right away because they had already accepted someone else's offer. But I guess it kind of fell through at some point, and she ended up messaging me a week later and was like, hey, did you still want this house? And my clients were like, heck yeah, I want this house. So we went under contract with them, and I was like, hallelujah. Like, being a buyer's agent is hard, you guys. Oh wow, it was just, it's a lot of legwork. It's definitely worth it in the end, but it is definitely a lot of legwork. So I felt like so much weight was lifted off my shoulders when she was like, yeah, my client wants to work with you. And I was like, this is beautiful. This is just everything. So anyways, it was kind of, once we went under contract, it was kind of, you know, back and forth with them as well. There were a lot more things that needed to be done on their part. So it was kind of, I don't want to say messy, but it wasn't as smooth as the selling process. So I definitely plan on going into detail about that as well, so you guys can know what I did, how I kept my clients happy, how I kept them calm and prevented them from stressing out and losing their marbles. But all in all, I had a great time. I think they ended up purchasing the house for about $292,000, so $292,000. So in the end, I think my commission was about, what was it, $6,500, and then for my sellers, I believe it was, what was it, like 4,000 something. Now the reason why the amount seems less for the sellers is because I gave them the offer of 2% commission for myself. So instead of having to pay a total of 6% commission, which would be 3% for the buyer's agent and 3% for me, I did 2% for myself because they were my husband's friends. I was new, and I wanted to make sure that they understood that this opportunity isn't just for money. It's about me doing a good job and making sure you're happy. So at the end of the day, I just wanted the opportunity to sell a home, and they gave me that opportunity. So it was kind of just, I rub your back, you rub mine. I can definitely break down commission in detail if you guys are interested in knowing about percentages and, you know, beginning percentages, because for me, commission started off at 70-30. And now it's just slowly decreasing until I get to 80-20. So if you want to know why that is, I can definitely explain it farther. But I am so glad that I got to check in with you guys. I missed you guys. I really did. You don't even know. Like, now don't get me wrong. Like, I talk to myself all the time. Like, I don't understand how people don't. I love to hear myself talk. I don't care. If I'm home, I'm talking to myself out loud. If you are a burglar and you've been scouting me and you see that I'm home alone and you come into my house and you hear me talking, just know that I'm just crazy. Like, that's just it. Like, I love to hear myself talk. I love having conversations with myself. I crack myself up. I will literally be sitting down, cutting up bananas for breakfast, and I will start cracking up laughing at the idea of me saying something to someone. Like, it's just, I'm a hot mess, but I love myself and I love that characteristic about me, and it's just so much fun. So I guess sitting here and talking to my camera is kind of like, or I should say talking to you guys is kind of like just talking to myself, and you guys make me feel very comfortable, and you guys make me feel very reassured in the comments knowing that someone's actually out there listening to my content and actually cares, and it's just so beautiful. I love you guys, I really do. And just, if you need me, call me, okay? Just call me. But I hope you guys have a good day. Please enjoy the weather. Texas is hot as hell. If you're coming here, good luck. And I will see you later. Not 3 months, but maybe like 2 days from now or something. Okay, bye.